Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something that can literally change your life, meditation. Whether you're stressed, distracted, or just trying to understand yourself better, meditation can be that one simple daily habit that transforms everything. By the end of this video, you'll know how meditation affects your brain, body, and emotions, and why even 10 minutes a day can create a huge difference. Let's start with the basics. What is meditation, really? Meditation isn't about stopping your thoughts. It's about becoming aware of them. Imagine your mind is like a busy highway, cars rushing in every direction. Meditation doesn't make the traffic disappear. It helps you step aside, sit on the hill, and just watch the traffic without getting hit by every thought. That awareness, that space between you and your thoughts, is where peace begins. Let's talk about the first big benefit, stress reduction. Multiple studies have shown that meditation reduces the production of cortisol, the stress hormone. When you meditate, your body moves into a parasympathetic state. That's your natural rest and repair mode. You'll notice fewer racing thoughts, slower breathing, and a feeling of calm that can stay with you for hours after your session. Even apps like Headspace or Calm are built around this. Just a few minutes of mindful breathing can lower anxiety levels, blood pressure, and even help you sleep better. The second major benefit, focus and concentration. Our brains today are constantly distracted, notifications, messages, endless scrolling. Meditation trains your attention like a muscle. When your mind wanders, you gently bring it back, again and again. Over time, this rewires your prefrontal cortex, the part responsible for decision-making and focus. That's why people who meditate regularly often report better memory, creativity, and problem-solving skills. Think of it as a mental gym. Every minute you meditate, your attention span gets stronger. Here's something we all need, emotional balance. Meditation helps you observe emotions without reacting instantly. You start noticing your anger, sadness, or fear as passing experiences, not permanent truths. This gives you power. Instead of reacting, you start responding. That shift can transform relationships, self-esteem, and even how you deal with setbacks in life. As mindfulness teachers say, you can't stop the waves, but you can learn to surf.
Did you know meditation can actually improve your physical health, not just your mental peace? When you meditate regularly, your body starts to respond in some amazing ways. Your heart rate and blood pressure begin to stabilize, giving your cardiovascular system the rest it deserves. Over time, this can lower the risk of heart disease and improve your overall circulation. You'll also notice your sleep quality getting better, not just more hours of rest, but deeper, more rejuvenating sleep that leaves you refreshed every morning. Meditation also boosts your immune system, helping your body fight off infections and recover faster. Studies have shown that people who meditate consistently have higher levels of antibodies and better immune regulation. And here's something truly fascinating: it can even slow down aging at the cellular level. By reducing stress hormones like cortisol, meditation protects your DNA and helps preserve the length of your telomeres, the little caps at the ends of your chromosomes that determine how your cells age. All of this happens because meditation directly reduces chronic stress, which is one of the biggest hidden culprits behind modern lifestyle diseases, from diabetes and hypertension to anxiety and burnout. So yes, by simply sitting still, breathing deeply, and calming your mind for a few minutes each day, you're not just feeling better, you're literally helping your body live longer and stay younger. As you spend time observing your thoughts and emotions without judgment, something beautiful begins to happen. You start to truly understand yourself. You begin to notice your patterns, the subtle reactions, the habits, the mental loops you've been running on autopilot for years. You see what triggers you, what motivates you, and what nourishes your soul. You start recognizing the difference between your passing moods and your deeper truth, between what the world tells you to be and who you genuinely are inside. With that awareness comes transformation. You become more grounded in the present, less shaken by external chaos. You develop compassion not just for others but for yourself because you finally understand why you feel and act the way you do. And as this awareness deepens, life starts to feel more aligned. Your choices, your relationships, your goals, they begin to flow naturally from a place of clarity and authenticity. Meditation, in the end, isn't about escaping the world. It's about seeing it and yourself more clearly than ever before. It's about waking up not just from sleep, but from the noise of your own mind. So, to recap, meditation isn't just about sitting quietly. It's a simple yet powerful practice that helps you manage stress, sharpen focus, balance your emotions, improve your health, and connect with your inner peace. And here's the best part, you don't need hours. Even 10 minutes a day can create a visible shift in how you think, feel, and live. Those few minutes of stillness can help you start your day with calm, handle challenges with clarity, and end the night with gratitude and peace. It's a small daily act, but it rewires your mind, heals your body, and opens your heart. So why wait? Start today. Find a quiet corner, close your eyes, and just breathe. You'll be amazed at what changes within you, quietly, gently, but profoundly. If this video brought you value, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who could use a little calm and clarity. And don't forget to subscribe for more content on mindfulness, self-awareness, and personal growth, because your journey to peace is just beginning. Until next time, take a deep breath, stay present, and keep growing with everything you can.